Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our three round of our debates in this evening. So I am Johnny Arbasilan. I am your moderator and the clerk of the house. The topic being debated today is all about traffic lights is better than traffic enforcer. So we have representing the affirmative side, Miss Basilan Elizabeth R. On the contrary, representing the opposing side, we have Mr. Antipasado Gino S. Before we start our debate today, please set your handphone or any devices that may disturb our debate to the silent mode. Especially for audiences, please do not leave or enter the room during the speech. On behalf of the House, I extend a special welcome to our audiences that will be served as our judges in this event. So let me present to you the rules of these debates. The debaters will have 1 minute in which to deliver their remarks. There will be a break of 15 seconds, after which the debaters will have 1 minute for each rebuttal. The clerk will indicate how much speaking time is remaining by tapping the bell. One tap is equivalent to 1 second that demonstrate that the debaters has only 10 seconds left. And then, if the debaters is running out of time, the clerk will simultaneously tapping the bell. After each debater sits down, I will immediately call on the next debaters to begin his or her address. So heading and formal questions will be permitted, though judges are to penalize any debaters who interrupts another thoughtlessly or excessively or who lowers the level of debate. Judges should not confer with one another until after they have scored the debate. Are there any questions regarding the rules?
None.
How about you, Ms. Basilan? Do you have any questions? If none, so now let us formally start with our debates at this evening. So the first one, I call upon the first affirmative speaker or our affirmative speaker to deliver the resolutions, define its terms, and outline the affirmative case. So time check. It's 11, 16, 20. So for the affirmative side, your time will start now.
Traffic lights is a set of electrically separated signal lights used to direct or control traffic at intersection. It is also called as stoplight, traffic signal, traffic control signal. It is helps to prevent or at least reduce the cases of car crash and collisions in a road, especially in intersection. It does also provide a safe and orderly flow of cars on a road and highway. Moreover, it ensures the safety of pedestrians crossing the roads, where it is used to regulate, warn people, and guide a person to a cross. So traffic lights are something centrally controlled by monitor or by computer to allow them to coordinate in a real time to deal with changing traffic lights. They use video cameras on sensor buried in permanent, which is used to monitor traffic pattern across the city. So therefore, traffic light is very useful since it is not already out. They didn't include a person to stay at the center of the intersection to control the traffic.
I thank the first affirmative speaker for her remarks and remind the judges that they should not finalize any debater's score until they have heard all the speakers' speeches. So we shall now have the first negative or our negative speaker or our negative sides. So we have Mr. Antipasado. So time check. It's already 11, 18, 40. So for the negative side, your time starts now.
Traffic or police or traffic officer or often referred to colloquially as traffic cops or traffic enforcers are police officers where direct traffic or serve in a traffic or roads policing unit enforcing rules of the road. And traffic officer are sworn in police, but they focus almost exclusively in on maintaining traffic safety and efficiency on the roads. This is focused on their duties, which can include directing traffic, managing accident, administrating federal traffic money, and educating the public on laws and safety guidelines.
Thank you for your remarks. I now call upon the second affirmative or our second speech of our affirmative side to deliver the final constructive speech in support to the resolution. So as our negative side gives his rebuttal, so now the affirmative sides will give the final constructive speech. So time check, it's already 11, 20, 30. So the affirmative side, your time start now.
So traffic light is very useful since it is monitored by computer where people didn't involve between the intersection to control the traffic. So as a Filipino, we also valued the um, the value of a person as a person. So traffic light is one of a way to value a person since it is very hazardous and dangerous for a person to stand in a very high temperature surrounding. So it is it can cause illness, diseases, and etc. that can make a person have difficulty in health. So, and in addition, it is according to Paul Evangelista, a land translation of the Philippines. It is um, in connection to the traffic light, which it is very dangerous, even though we're going to wear a mask because in traffic, pedestrians are all over. So it is dangerous.
Thank you so much, both the affirmative and the negative side, for giving your remarks and the rebuttal in this debate. So is there any questions from both debaters?
None.
So if none, thank you so much debaters for giving your time and effort and giving the remarks on your side in this debate. So, as to judge the debaters, the audiences that will view or see this video will be the judges. So you are the one to judge our debaters in this evening. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And from the house, we are thankful for you, for our audiences in seeing these debates. For the affirmative side, thank you so much, Miss Basilan Elizabeth, for standing on your side. And as well as for our negative side, thank you so much, Mr. Antipasado Gino, for standing the negative side. So that is the end of our debates of this evening. The audience, you are the judges in our debates of this evening. Thank you so much, everyone.